In this short video, I want to show how to open another instance of Excel. This trick is most useful for me when I'm using Power Query, because when I open Power Query editor, open a query, the Power Query is selfish and don't allow me to use Excel. So Power Query editor is open, and I cannot see what Excel have, what Excel sheets are on, and etc. So I want to open new Excel instance. I'm going to Windows, Options, starting writing Excel, of looking for this icon, then press Alt and hold, click Excel icon, still holding Alt until this message box appear. If we want new instance of Excel, yes, we want new Excel instance. We don't need VBA files, so close this message box, and it was this file where was my query, so I will open this one. And because this file is already open in another instance of Excel, we can open it for read-only version. But now I can see what informations are in this file. Still, in the other instance of Excel, we have here Power Query, and I cannot move here to see another sheets. But in the new instance of Excel, I can look at the data, and sometimes it's necessary when I'm working with Power Query.